Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Code Gaming, and in this video today we will make a review of another fantastic product from Moza Racing, and that is the new HGP Shifter. Moza were very generous and kind, and they sent me this HGP Shifter to review it. So this will be my third video of making review for Moza products, and you can find the links from the previous reviews in the description of this video. So the one thing I want to mention is that after 1 month of using Moza Racing products, reviewed in the first 2 videos, I'm really satisfied with the quality, and I can strongly recommend the products from Moza Racing because they are really good and fulfill my needs, and they're really good quality. So now let's start and see what this new shifter from Moza has to offer. Let's go, boys. So boys, this is the shifter from Moza Racing, and this is the HGP shifter, like I mentioned, and this shifter is made from anodized aviation grade aluminum and is CNC machined. It's very solid, sturdy and reliable. It is only an H pattern shifter and has no option for sequential shifting. The H pattern has 7 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. So it's very good for multiple simulation scenarios depending on your needs. The H pattern has patented funnel shaped dust cover that prevent dust from entering the shifter internal mechanism. The HGP shifter has inside a 15-bit non-contact high precision angle sensor that ensures very precise shifting. Reverse and 7 gears are locked, so that is to prevent accidental selection, and if you want to engage reverse on 7 gear, you should push the lever down and then engage the gear. It's also for the 7 gear and for the reverse gear. The knob of this shifter is replaceable, so you can modify the shifter lever with aftermarket knobs if you want, which is a great thing. Sorry about that, I missed. So let's put this back. The interesting thing about this shifter is that it has an Intelligent Downshift Throttle blip system that eliminates the need for heel and toe. So this will help you a lot for smooth downshifting, and this can be customized in the Moza pit house, and we will see that later in the video. The Moza HGP shifter can be mounted very easy on the most rigs, and for those who are using desk like me, Moza has dedicated desk clamp that is available to buy separately. The desk clamp is fully from metal and is also very easy to mount, and you can mount it on any desk up to 60 millimeter of thickness, which is great. The connection of the HGP shifter with a PC can be made via USB cable or through the port with RJ12 cable, and both of those cables are provided in the packaging. So this was the detailed review for the shifter, and I think now it's the time to see how will perform in a game. So let's go and see that. Now we will test this HGP shifter from Moza Racing, and we will see how it performs and what is the best game to do that. And of course it's Assetto Corsa, so we will test it in Assetto Corsa. I have here this Porsche 911, so we will see how this shifter acts, and let's go. So the first thing I can say about this shifter is how strong and sturdy and stable it's. I really love that with this shifter, and also the clicking of the gears, the mechanism clicking, is very satisfying and it really feels like you are driving a real racing car. I really love that. The shifter knob is very comfortable on the hand. It fits perfect, for at least for my hand, so that's another good thing. There is also 3 stripes here on the knob, so that's a good grip for the hand, which is really nice. The precision of the gears is amazing. It's very precise. And the interesting thing about this shifter, I don't miss gears because the H pattern is made perfect. So when I compare with the Thrustmaster I had before, I really, a lot of time I was missing the gears, but with this shifter until now I didn't. Maybe once I missed, but that was my fault because the tension of the spring inside is really good, and when you go to neutral it pulls by itself. I crashed, but that doesn't matter. We are testing now the shifter, not my driving. So where I stopped. The tension of the lever, how to say, of the spring, it's really good, and it's like, I can say, strong. You need some force to push it in the gear, and that gives you the feeling of a real car, which is amazing. And also, like you can hear, it's a little like metal on metal sound, and that is because the shifter is all from metal, and when you change the gears, the lever hits in the body, and that's why it's like little metal on metal sound. But you can fix that with adding these rubber grips that Moza provides in the package. So when you shift, you don't hear that sound metal on metal. That's the thing I can say about this shifter. So now we can try the Intelligent Downshift Throttle blip system that Moza invented for this shifter, and is first of its kind. So I will turn that in Moza pit house. Now you see I missed the gear, and we will see how that acts. That system is for not using toe and heel for downshifting on the brake and on the throttle. So the intelligent system gives you opportunity and do your job basically. So let's see how that works on this shifter. So boys, now I turned on the Intelligent blip system, so in Moza pit house, and later I will show you how to do that in Moza pit house in the end of the video. So now let's see how that intelligent system works. I add in the upper part of the screen an indicator for the pedals, so you can see how the blipping system increase the throttle when you downshift. I will not gonna use the throttle for downshifting, so you will see how this intelligent system do this by itself. So when you see the throttle go up when I downshift, I'm not pressing the throttle, the shifter do that. So let's say I crashed again. Oh my god, doesn't matter. So let's see now. You can see on the indicator sub, when I go downshift, you'll see that, you see? See the green line, that's the throttle. Now see. You see how the car when downshift, the throttle go up. That's not me. That's the HGP shifter. It's a very cool feature. This is the first shifter that has this, and I think it's amazing because I can use it to this. You see? You don't need to think about pushing the throttle when you downshift for smoother downshifting. I really like this. I think it's a great job from Moza, and again thank you Moza for making these amazing products. They're really good quality. I really like them. Look at now. You see? I don't do that. The shifter do that. And I really like it. So from amateur, you can be a professional racer with this shifter. So the new Moza slogan should be, from amateur we made professionals. That will be cool if they do that. Say thanks later, Moza. And now I think it's time we should go to Moza pit house and see how this is connected, how to calibrate the shifter, and the settings for the intelligent blipping system. So let's go there. Now we are in the Moza pit house and we'll see how can we calibrate this shifter and the auto downshift throttle blip settings. So first you can, like I said before in the video, the connection can be made through USB with the PC or with the RJ12 cable directly to the Moza base, but mine is connected through a USB direct to the USB port in the in my computer, so that's the connection for me. And now for calibrating, you should start here, you should press this button, start calibrating, and then when you do that, you start calibrating, you push the shifter down and you go left and right all to the end until the calibration finish. That's 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds to do that, and when you do that, you see you have indicators here in the Moza pit house and shows you the gears it's calibrated. So if you want to go in 7th gear, you push down and then you engage the 7th gear. It's the same for the reverse gear. You push down and then you go to the reverse. That's made, Moza made this because of preventing misshifting. When you go to first, to prevent to go in reverse, they made this. They locked reverse and 7th gear, and that's the main thing for calibrating. And now the auto downshift throttle blip, you have two options, and that is auto blip output. And like I mentioned in the previous reviews, in Moza pit house, next to every setting you have like question mark, like, and it's not question mark, it's the other one, I forget the name of it, exclamation mark, I'm sorry, and there you have explanation of the setting. So this one is auto blip output. It's just adjustable throttle opening for refueling. The required throttle opening may be different for different models and can be set accordingly to the model and habits. So this is the thing these settings do. And here you have auto blip duration, and this is the adjustable throttle action time when refueling. Different models may require different throttle action time. You can set accordingly to the model and habit. So basically this is the duration of pressing the throttle when you downshift. So you have short, so that it's very short, just press and push, press and release the throttle. Then you have full, so probably it's like 5 milliseconds, I don't know how much. And you have long. When you have long, I've tried this, when you have long, it holds a little longer, so it's like push the throttle and holds a little longer. So you can set it up like you think it's best for you. This is the new feature from Moza, and this is the first shifter that has this feature, which is amazing. It's really amazing. This will help me with the trucks. When you downshift on the trucks, this will help me a lot. And also this will help when you race. If you're lazy and you don't want to push with your toe the brake and with your heel to give a little throttle, this is a perfect thing. So it will make you a little lazy, but it's good. So that's it for this video. To mention the other thing is all these products I have from Moza, and also the shifter. The links from all these products will be at in the description. So if you want and if you're interested, you can go and click the links and you can see the prices and everything if you're interested to buy. I really like these products. I was using it now. The shifter is new, so I will test it more, but everything I get from Moza, the steering wheel, the base, the handbrake, the CM racing dash, are really good. I really like them, and for me they're perfect for now. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you get good information about this product today. You can check my previous 2 reviews. I will put it in the description also, my videos. You can check them out. There I make one video is for the steering wheel, the base and the CM racing dash review, and the other one is just for the Moza handbrake, so you can check them out and you can see. So leave a comment, tell me what you think, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much and see you. Bye bye.